Unit 9, Mixed Review, number 3. Vince used a number machine to create ordered pairs of numbers based on a rule. Some ordered pairs are shown. Which graph best represents the ordered pairs? So the in is the x-axis, the out is the y-axis. So when it says 1 and 0/10 and 4 and 5/10, it's talking about 1 and 0/10, 4 and 5/10, our ordered pair being just like that. So run, then jump. We're going to run to 1 and then jump to 4.5. And 4.5, think about money, that's $4.50, would be between 4 and 5. So run to 1 on answer choice A, jump up to 4.5, looks good. B, run to 1, jump to 4.5. There is not a point there. There should be one right there. So B is out. C, run to 1, jump to 4.5. No point there. So C is out. D, run to 1, jump to 4.5. It's got it. Next dot should be at 2 and 5 and 5/10, or 5.5. So run to 2 on answer choice A, jump up to 5.5. A's got it. D, run to 2, jump to 5.5. D's got it. Next dot should be at 3, 6.5. So run to 3, jump to 6.5. A's got it. Run to 3, jump to 6.5. D's got it. All right, this last one should determine it. 3 and 5/10 and 7. So run to 3.5, so between 3 and 4, and jump up to 7. There is not a point there. So A is out. D, run to 3.5, jump to 7. There is a point there. So correct answer is D.